How to update firmware. Before updating firmware, please find the system version. Then take a photo of the system version and send it to customer support to obtain the latest system firmware. Please prepare a USB flash drive with a capacity between 4 GB and 16 GB. Format it using the FAT32 file system. Download and extract the system firmware file provided by customer support. Copy Gemini Pack, bin and ISPBOOOT.BIN to the root directory of your USB flash drive. Safely eject the USB flash drive, and prepare to move to the new screen for the firmware update. Locate the USB cable at the rear of the new screen and firmly insert your USB flash drive into one of the USB ports. Enter the new system and perform a firmware update. The entire update process takes about 1 minute.